Hey folks, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. In this video, we're going to be talking about gap trading, but we're going to do something a little bit different than the norm for these videos. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you today's gap trade, which you're looking at on the screen, but I'm going to show you in detail what happened today. I'm going to show you the email that went out to subscribers early this morning. What I do is I teach a course. In my course, I teach two specific gap trading strategies. One of them is the morning gap trades, which is what I'm going to show you here with Joy Global. And the second thing I do, I offer my gap trades to subscribers that want to receive them about 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time every single day, which is obviously before the market opens. And what I do is I give you what I think are the highest probability success rate gap trades for the day. And I provide those on a 2-week trial just so you can see what it's all about. But the thing that's slightly different in this video, I'm going to show you my performance log of all the trades that I've put out to subscribers since I offered this service, my morning gap trades, to the public only beginning at the end of January 2016. So I'm going to show you the performance of what's transpired since that time. But first, let's go ahead and take a look at the email that went out to subscribers this morning and see what happened. So here's the email that went out at 9 a.m. this morning. Now keep in mind, everything I'm going to show you is taught in the course so that you can become fully self-sufficient and do everything I'm going to show you that happened today and each and every other day for yourself, by yourself, for the rest of your trading career. So this morning, I had identified 3 possible gap trades: Box, Sienna, and Joy Global. Now, Box and Sienna didn't hit their levels, so when a stock does not hit its specified gap level, we leave it alone. It just becomes a no trade. No harm, no foul. It never happened. But Joy Global, on the other hand, did hit its level. Now, I had a little bit of additional information than normal that I provided to subscribers this morning on Joy Global. I say gap higher. Its resistance level was at 1892, but I gave a secondary level which was close by at 1936. I say stop and profit target is about 20 cents. I say these levels are close together. Aggressive traders can short the market at 1992. The intent was 1892. I had sent a correction in an email just following this. And less aggressive traders should hold out for 1936. So I felt that there was a higher risk in taking the trade at 1892. Now, some traders took it and some didn't, but that's the way it goes. When I think there's higher risk, I want to let you know I'm trying to keep you safe and also teach you everything I know at the same time. So let's go over to the chart of Joy Global and see what happened early this morning. So here we're looking at a 10-minute chart, and you can see the first 10-minute candle of the day came right up to that level, 1892. So then in the second 10-minute candle, the stock pierced through the 1892 level by a few pennies, well within our stop loss limitation, and immediately backed off from that level, having a price reaction in the other direction. This is the power of what I teach in my course at Lazy Gap Trader. So what happens is I teach you how to identify these precise and exact levels where a stock should have a price reaction in the other direction. That's exactly what happened in this case, and as you can see, 50 minutes later, the stock made a low of 1782, representing a $1.10 gain on a stock that was $18.92 within an hour before. That represents about a 5.4% gain within the hour. That's a phenomenal gain on a single short trade, also considered a scalp trade in Joy Global. This is the power of what I teach in the course at LazyGapTrader.com. I don't want to belabor this point any longer. You get to see each and every day that we have positive trades. I show you the email, I show you the trades. So those of you that have been watching these videos for quite some time certainly understand the power of what I teach in the course. But now I want to show you the performance, and I want to show you some cumulative numbers from when I began offering this as a service to the public. So here's a spreadsheet that I keep for the benefit of anybody that wants to track these trades alongside me. These are the exact trades that are given out in email format in the morning to subscribers of my service. And what I do is I just transfer the information on all the trades that hit their levels, whether it was a win or a loss, either way. And as you can see, I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and you can see here there's been 99 trades since the latter part of January. The first trade given to the public and subscribers was on January 26th. And it goes up from there. And you can see here, and I'm going to give you the exact numbers. I'm going to show you once again the exact numbers. So what we've got is, we've got total number of trades, 99. We've got total wins, 76 against 23 losses. Anybody that understands trading certainly understands you're never going to win 100% of the time. That's just the way it works. The winning percentage is 77%, and the average winning percentage, and this is a maximum gain, but the average winning percentage is 2.66% per trade. That's pretty darn good for a day trading strategy. Remember, these aren't stocks that are held for weeks or months or years. These are stocks that are held for a minute, a few seconds, an hour, any point in between. So for these type of day trades or scalp trades, that's a phenomenal percentage. Okay, and the cumulative wins just from the end of January is 202% against a cumulative loss rate of 20%. So I just wanted to point out the power of what I teach. Not only can you have my gap trades, and I'll give them to you on a 2-week trial, these are the gap trades, but I teach you how to do this in the course at lazygaptrader.com. So come check it out, see it for yourself, don't take my word for it, experience the gap trading phenomenon that's going on in the market. I want to teach it to you, and I want you to be self-sufficient and be able to do it for yourself. I'm David Frost, lazygaptrader.com. Come check out the site, folks, lazygaptrader.com.